How to set a WhatsApp profile without losing quality. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set a WhatsApp profile without losing quality. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you need to open up WhatsApp in your device. Now open one of the chat. You can open a chat with yourself as well. So once you're on the chat page, tap on the camera icon at the text box right here. Now you have to select the picture that you want to set as your profile. For example, I have this picture right here. Now you need to send this picture to yourself, and make sure the quality of this picture is selected as SD. See at the top of this interface there is an SD option right here, and make sure the photo set is set to the SD quality in order to maintain high quality on your WhatsApp profile. Once you are done with that, now tap on send. Now once you send this picture to yourself, now what you have to do is save this picture in your gallery. Tap and hold on it. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right, or you can simply save it. Open up the image. Tap on three dot at the top right. Now tap on save. Now once this image is saved successfully, you have to open up your profile. Tap on the three dot at the top right, and here tap on settings. Tap on your profile name, and here tap on the camera icon on your profile. Now you have to tap on gallery and then select the photo that you have saved recently from the WhatsApp. Then tap on done. Once you're done with that, now the WhatsApp profile is set. So that's how you can set up the WhatsApp profile without losing the quality, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.